friends, so today we're going to make a new musical instrument. What we're going to need is 2 plastic cups, some tape, some scissors so you can cut the tape, and something to put inside. Today I'm going to use popcorn, the little kernels. Since we're learning about fruits and vegetables this week, I thought that we would use some corn. But you can put rice in, you can put salt in, you can put beans in, it doesn't matter what you put in there. They're all going to make different sounds though. So, and I also have some stickers that I'm going to put on the outside of my cup when I'm all done. So to start this project, you just take whatever you're going to make the music with. I'm going to put the corn in. And I'm going to put 1 cup on top of the other cup. And we're going to tape it up so none of the corn comes out. I'm just going to wrap it around the whole thing. And then cut it. I wrap the tape all the way around. I'm going to push it down just to make sure that none of this stuff is going to fall out. Just going to push it all down. So when you shake it, it's going to make some music. I'm going to use some stickers just to decorate mine a little bit. I have these little foam shaped stickers. You can use whatever stickers you guys have at home. I'm going to put some circles on. And you can decorate it however you want. You can even use, if you have at home some washi tape, you can wrap some washi tape around. Let's see. I'll decorate the other side too. And I'm all done. So when I'm ready to use it, just shake it up and you can make the music. Or you can shake it on the side and it's a little bit quieter. It's up to you guys. Have fun.